The earliest recorded evidence of the production of soap-like materials dates back to around 2800 BC in ancient Babylon. A formula for soap consisting of water, alkali, and cassia oil was written on a Babylonian clay tablet around 2200 BC. The Ebers Papyrus, Egypt, 1550 BC, indicates the ancient Egyptians bathed regularly and combined animal and vegetable oils with alkaline salts to create a soap-like substance. Egyptian documents mention a similar substance was used in the preparation of wool for weaving. Citation needed. In the reign of Nabonidus, 556 to 539 BC, a recipe for soap consisted of buffalo ashes, cypress oil, and sesame seed oil, for washing the stones for the servant girls. In ancient Israel, the ashes from barilla plants, such as species of salsola,